So let's see how you can integrate the Transifex Native SDK in a few very simple steps. First of all, we're going to add the package. It's a standard Swift package. It works with both Swift and Objective-C projects. So you just add the repository name, the URL. Okay, so now it's installed. Next thing you have to do is copy a file from the repository, from the SDK, to the project. Okay. Now, for this, in Transifex Native, you have, when you set up a new native project on Transifex, you get a pair of credentials. They look something like this. It's a token and a secret, and the SDK uses them in order to pull strings, to pull the translations from Transifex, or to push the source strings from your project, from the iOS project, to Transifex, so that the translation can begin. Now, next thing we have to do here is import Transifex, import the package. Okay, and let me copy some code from here. So this line here takes the code from the credentials I showed you, the token, and we define the source language of the project and the target languages, which are French, Slovenian, and German. And